everyone, this is Tim from Your6 Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to enable voice typing on your Android phone. So if you go to like Google search bar right here and you go to voice, you can start using hello. So if this is not enabled, it's not going to appear on there. So we can just enable it right here. So hi. So this is working. Just go to settings. Go on down to voice typing and just make sure voice typing is turned on right there. Otherwise swipe down from the top right, go to settings. Go down to General Management. Then we can go on over to where it says our Gboard settings, or it could be your Samsung keyboard or something like that. Just go to your settings. Go down to voice typings right here and just turn it on. So that's how you do it for that. Well, actually, this is my Samsung phone. So we can just go back. Maybe you have something else turned on. You have the Samsung keyboard. So I'll show you. You can do that. You can change the keyboard. Here's Samsung keyboard, so the settings are going to be a little bit different if it changes around. But voice typing should be in here as well. Here's voice input. I just have Google voice typing on, so you can switch it right there. Just make sure it's turned on. Now this one says use side button for voice activation, so you might want to turn this off. So if you have this turned on, you have to press the side button to use it. So where is it? Hello, I'm typing now. So that's probably why it's not popping up even if you have it turned on. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.